Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget. I'll go with this one, and now just hold for a while with your finger the home screen, one from your screens, and you'll see here the widgets icon. Just click here once, tap here to get it, and here you can see all the available widgets that we can add to our device screen. For example, we can go with the clock one, and here you can see the 4 different type of clocks, and you can select one from this clock. For example, we can go with this one. Just hold for a while and drag it here to the position where we want to just add the widget. Also, we can change the size of the widget. We can make it smaller or bigger, as can you see. And if you want, we can add here the one more widget, the calendar, for example, or just Gmail. Just hold for a while and drag it, for example, here. Once again. Okay, widgets. Okay, we'll go with the calendar, schedule, hold it and drag it here. By the same way, we can change the size of this widget. Also, we can create the new screen with the widgets, or just move them between the screens. And if you want to just remove the widget, hold for a while and drag it here up to the remove icon by this way. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.